In this video, we're going to go over how our website works. So you come to lotsofsunshine.com, and here we have the listings of all the properties that we have available for sale. As you can see, we've got a number of properties available right now. The reason we built this website was because we were asked about details on the properties, and we were sending these out in email, but we realized it was just going to be a lot easier for you and for us as well to have a website where we could both take a look at the properties, and when you give me a call, I can walk you through all of the details if you have any questions for that's not answered by the website. So let's go in a little bit deeper. Let's take a look at this first property here. This is a half acre in Interlaken. It's a street to street property, meaning that you can actually go through, take a look at the pictures, and you will see that when I say street to street, or when we say street to street, this one goes from Gillian Street to Manchester Street. It is a half an acre. Here's a brief description of the property. It talks about how it's zoned. This one is zoned R2 for freedom and flexibility, as we like to call it. So what that means is that you can actually build a mobile home on it. When they're zoned R1, you typically cannot build a mobile home in that neighborhood or on that piece of property. Again, since this one is unique, it is actually two individual properties that we put together, packaged together for sale. So there are two APN numbers, there are two legal descriptions. It is in the state of Florida. It is in the county of Putnam. Here's the total size, which is 0.46 acres, half an acre. The next two, uh, the next two items here are my favorite features about the website. When you click the Google Maps link, it actually takes you out to Google Maps. That is the exact location of the property, so you can see it for yourself. If you click even deeper into the property, you'll find oftentimes, let's see, that you can get down to the street view level. So where Google has actually created Street View for these properties, you'll be able to go in and see the property virtually. You can drive the neighborhood, check it out. You see that this neighborhood doesn't have paved roads, at least in this area. These are all dirt roads. It's one of the reasons why it's zoned R2. It gives you a little bit more freedom, a little bit more rural. So it's all good. You can even see whether there's electricity on the property or not. In this particular case, there is electricity on the property. It's on the other side. So all good. Go down a little bit further, we have our next link, which is out to the Facebook post. So every time that we have a property that's posted on our website, we typically also have a Facebook post associated with it. So that way you can come in and you can see maybe the Facebook post is what attracted you. Now you're looking at the details, and it makes sure that the property that you saw on Facebook, it correlates the property that you saw on Facebook to the one on the website. Now we get down into the financials, and these first two are what it takes to secure the property. It's the down payment amount and the doc fee. We always have a documentation fee for every single property that we sell. That kicks off our contract process, which I've explained previously. So for this particular property, the down payment and the doc fee are this underneath this button here. So when you click Buy Now with GeekPay, you go in, and this takes you to the GeekPay buying interface. You put in your email address, your first name, your last name, your address, and then your credit card. The price here includes the doc fee. And for this particular property or set of properties, it's $400 plus the documentation fee, which is $259, plus a 3% transaction fee for allowing you to use your credit card. And once you do that, by the way, that kicks off our process for the full purchase. If you're going to finance the property rather than pay the cash price, which is highlighted here, $96.25, if you're going to finance the property, that means that every month you'll have a loan servicing fee. That is our cost that we pass on to you for using GeekPay to manage your loan. What that does is it'll send you reminders about your monthly loan payment. It manages your automatic debit as well. It tells you how much time and how much principal you have left on your loan. Just so you know, we don't do any interest rates on our loan. All our loans are 0% financing, so you're really just making payments. You're making your payments against the cash price. $12 a month in taxes. So we collect the taxes during the time that you have the loan, and we pay the taxes to the county. And here is the monthly payment. It's $256 over the course of 36 months or 3 years. So there you have it, folks. Every one of these is the entire information about the property that you need to know. And any questions that you have, definitely feel free to shoot me a text or give me a call. All right, thanks.